This class is very much based in getting out into the field and having a connection with the community.
It's incredible to see what we're learning about actually being put into motion, being put into action, and we actually get to apply it.
Experiential learning of ecology, it really caught my eye, especially the part where they were going to be going out to the community and helping out restoring these environments.
One of the ways that the research in my class has led to what we're doing today is that one of the leaders from Riverlink, Madeline, came into our class and she actually spoke to us about different ways to restore rivers and riparian zones. We spent 2 hours restoring a stream bank. So the first thing we did was someone took a big auger and they basically drilled holes all along the stream bank. And then we put in silky willows and we took this coconut fiber mesh. And beneath that we put hay and local wildflower and local grass seeds.
And the roots will actually hold it together, hold that bank together, and create soil aggregate, or pretty much bind the soil together per se. And that'll create an extremely stable bank, and hopefully we can see some less erosion as the years go by.
It really does just feel like I'm getting kind of like a sample platter of a lot of different things I could do with my degree and with the knowledge I'm gaining. It's really building up my connections here. What we did today was with Riverlink, and I know they're an organization around here that does a lot of internships. So I'm also just helping build up my portfolio and build up my connections with people in the field.
It means everything to me to do this restoration work and to be able to connect with community members, to help them kind of restore back things that once was and try to alleviate some of that mental pain that comes from a serious event like Helene. That really means a lot to me, and it gives meaning and purpose to my learning in college.
Being outside really helps me love the outdoors, love the mountains in Asheville. But not only are you being outside now, but you're helping out others. You feel like you're making an impact.
It feels like I'm actually making a difference in restoring Asheville. Helene did have a drastic effect on especially the riparian environments around Asheville. You know, hopefully come 10, 20, 25 years when a lot of these environments have hopefully recovered, I can then look back on that and say I was a part of that, which is really, really fulfilling.